Kids, let us do the additions. Let's count mangoes for the first one. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 mangoes. Now let us count mangoes for the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 mangoes. Let's add 3 mangoes and 4 mangoes. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So, kids total, there are 7 mangoes. Kids, let us do for the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here there are 4 apples for the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 apples for the second one. Let's add 4 and 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So, kids, total there are 8 apples.